What's up, everybody? How is it going? Are you doing good? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. I know you can tell that I'm doing good because here I am riding the Hulk down some awesome roads right by my house. Got some nice corners, some good straights. There's a decent recommended speed that's enforced by the law, but you know, let's be honest. I think we all kind of tend to rip it up a little faster than what the law tells us we should. So, you know, it's all part of being on two wheels and having a good time. I can always hop on my bike if I'm not having a good day, ride about 30 minutes away from where I live, and then boom, I got these roads that I can just kind of, you know, get some wind therapy on. So the point of this video is I want to talk to you guys about this giveaway, about BENLARI, our relationship, how it all started. So let's get into it. Look at that backrest. Shit. That thing is sick. It looks really good on the bike, you guys. You know what's crazy is whoever's watching this, it's gonna be your backrest. You don't even know it yet, and neither do I. But that's pretty exciting. So let me shut the Hulk off here and let's talk about it for a second. All right, guys, what is up? So like an idiot, I totally forgot my little selfie stick on my adventure here. Fully knowing that I was gonna record a video. And I totally forgot it. So you're stuck with seeing my arm in frame here. I do apologize, although it's a pretty good looking arm, if I don't say so myself. So, but the whole purpose to this video is it's Sunday evening. It's probably right around 6 o'clock, 6:30. The days are getting shorter here in Texas. It's starting to get darker earlier. Wanted to go out on a ride. I do this from time to time just to kind of like reflect, think about things, get myself into a proper mental state. Oh man, of course the Hulk is looking super good. On the back, the Hulk is sporting the BENLARI 26-inch backrest / sissy bar, whatever you want to call it. I love the styling because it's got that that angle at the top there. And then whoever does win this thing, make sure you're careful. If you're ever going into your bags to grab something and you kind of like, you know, maybe make your way to the back of the bike here and then you go to like grab something. Yeah, look at that. It's sharp. So be careful because you don't want to, you know, just possibly neck shot yourself. That wouldn't be good. What was that movie with Adam Sandler? Oh, Mr. Deeds, where he hits the dude in the neck with the tennis ball and he's like, yeah, you don't want to be doing that to yourself. That would not be good. I wanted to talk to you guys about BENLARI, the backrest, all that fun stuff before we do the review video where I'm going to be announcing you, whoever it is, whoever you are, that is winning this backrest. Let me give you a little bit of backstory to BENLARI, me, our relationship, and the backrest. You know, the backrest, which is right behind me here on the bike, you can kind of see it. Boop. Boom, it's right there. That thing, the backrest right there. I got somebody pulling around in here. I don't know what they're doing. So probably checking in to see what the hell it is that I'm doing. My partnership with BENLARI. How did all of this happen? How did all of this start? They have no clue that I am giving this backrest away to you guys. Just, I don't think they do. I've reached out to them. I told them that I was kind of playing around with this idea. I had thought about it. It was in my head here and I wanted to do this, but I also asked for their permission to do so. Why would I do that? I mean, I guess I really don't have to. If the company trusts in me enough to promote their product and their brand, why would I have to ask them to give it away to one of my viewers? It probably doesn't make any sense, you know, just being polite, I guess. So I'm sure I will hear from them either tonight or tomorrow. And I'm sure they're going to be fine with it. I'm sure they're not going to have a problem with it at all. The reason I'm doing this, you guys, I would really like to keep this backrest, to be honest with you.
I like it.
It works good. It's great. It's something that I've wanted on the bike for a while because, you know, depending on how new or old you are to the scene with riding Harleys and baggers in general, you guys should know that the look that this backrest provides the bike, it's a look that's been around for quite a while, and it's a look that a lot of people are out to get on their bike. Shit, if I can remember correctly, and somebody might correct me if I'm wrong here, but I think like even maybe just like 5 years ago, to purchase a backrest like this, you were looking at spending upwards of $250 to $350, which that's a lot of money. And obviously today with inflation, everything that's going on, $140 is a lot of money. So yeah, so I'm giving it away. Well, I would love to keep it. I would love to keep it on the bike.
Why am I giving it away?
My journey on YouTube has not been the simplest journey. There are tons of creators out there, whether it be motorcycle content, fly here, whether it be motorcycle content, whatever it is, there's a lot of YouTubers out there that, I don't know if it's they just get to getting while the getting's hot. I don't know, but a lot of people grow pretty quick. And I can't knock and say that I'm not growing fast. I've only been doing this for a year and a half. But having said that, with doing this for a year and a half's time, one of my goals want to be an advocate for the motorcycle and biker community, for sure. I definitely want to be somebody that people tune in to watch to, you know, hey, what is Stiff Rides doing? What's Robbie and Stiff Rides doing now? And as I grow, I'm sure my content will embrace that. When BENLARI reached out to me, it was a very simple process. They contacted me through email, which my email address, I'll put it right here, stiffrides@gmail.com. And they basically in short term said, hey, our name is BENLARI. We make products for your model bike and your style of motorcycle. We would like to have a possible partnership with you. It wasn't like, there was nothing put out there where I had to follow certain rules, this, that. They gave me total creative ability. A matter of fact, before I received this backrest, I had asked them, hey, is there anything that you want me to focus on?
Nothing.
Like, they believed in me, my process, and my abilities. And for me, that says a lot. And that's why I decided to, you know, partner up with these guys and work with them. Not just gonna work with any company out there. And the biggest thing for me with BENLARI was their stuff is inexpensive from a purchasing standpoint, but it's not inexpensive the way that it's made. And I knew that heading into this partnership because I had already had some parts from their company on the Hulk. So it's kind of cool that this early in the game, it's come full circle and I'm doing that, which is why I want to give this backrest away to one of you guys, because they wouldn't even be talking to me if it wasn't for the established community that I do have. And all of you guys mean the world to me. And that's why I'm giving this backrest away, because I know there's one of you guys out there that's going to get the backrest. They're going to be like, you know, shit, this is awesome. Stiff Ride sent me this backrest. He didn't have to do it. But the fact that it was given to me to test out and I have this product that was sent to me by the company to give away, that makes it even that much better. Because guys, if I didn't believe in this product, I sure as hell would not give it to one of you and risk the possibility of, you know, you getting it and saying,
no, this is shit.
I'm not going to follow this guy anymore. Screw him. He's just a, you know, a sellout. I wouldn't do that. So in the process of giving things away, I think this is perfect because it was given to me. I got to review it, and then I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. So you don't have to spend $140 on our new backrest. But if you did, I would recommend it. This is not the review of the video or the review of the backrest yet, but there you go. The words came out of my mouth. I just word vomited all over. Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert. This is a spoiler. It's a good backrest. You're going to like it a lot. Yeah.
But that's how all of this started, you guys. They reached out to me. They asked me if I'd be interested in a possible partnership with them, and boom, the rest is history. So I am super excited to continue to work with them. I cannot wait to see what kind of collabs we have in the future. I am super excited to now give it away to one of you guys. Having said that, again, thank you so much for all the views, all the support, everybody that's tuning in, watching the videos. It's awesome. It's exciting. Yeah, man, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget, you guys, you have to go to this video right here. You got to go to this video and you have to leave a comment on this video. I will also leave a link in the description below to this video because I have noticed a common theme. There's a lot of viewers that are watching these videos, but they're not subscribed to the Stiff Rides channel. So there's only two things you have to do to win this backrest from BENLARI. The first one is you got to hit that subscribe button. You have to be subscribed to the channel. The second thing is that you have to do,
peace, brother,
is you have to leave the comment on this video, I want the backrest. Do those two things and you are entered to win the backrest. Here's how it's going to happen. I'm going to select the winner in next Friday's video, you send me an email to stiffrides@gmail.com. I will, cross-reference, check everything, make sure that obviously you're a subscriber, that you left the right comment, and then I'm going to ship it to you. I'm going to ship it. So there's not, you don't have to do anything but leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Both of those things are free. That's all you have to do. I'm going to pick you, and I'm going to send you the backrest in the same packaging that it came to me from BENLARI. So I think that's it. I think that's all I wanted to say. I'm going to go out, enjoy the rest of my Sunday evening here, have a nice, cool, calm, collective ride, get a little bit of that wind therapy, finish editing the video, pick the winner, upload that shit on Friday, and whoever you are that wins, excited because, well, you're going to have a brand new backrest from BENLARI. If you didn't know this already from me talking about it in previous videos, this backrest fits any 2009 and later touring model Harley Davidson. Road King, Road Glide, Street Glide, Electraglide. As long as you have the docking hardware on the back of one of those 4 bikes, this backrest will fit on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. All about the ride, all about the adventure. Stay safe out there. Later.